shelf, then you get a redo. And you
Okay.
get infinite of them until you don't hit your head, okay?
Okay. Alright.
Go. Oh wait. Your health.
Huh?
My
Why?
turn. I said you can't use that shelf.
What shelf?
This one.
Did you eliminate it?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, my bad.
Here, can I tag you?
Yes, sir.
Alright, what can I not use?
Let's do this. The glasses.
Okay. Yes.
Nice.
Got it. Let's go. Alright. Eliminate another thing.
Oops. You can tag me back.
Let's go. Now what? Can I not use?
Now you can't use the shelf.
Okay. Ah. That'd be pretty good. Because if you would have made that shelf right there with the early access,
yeah.
then I would have been out. Can't use this shelf right here.
What shelf? Okay.
The one right here.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you already got it done. Okay. Now, can't use the sunglasses.
Okay.
You know the way I do it. Okay. Alright. Can't use this shelf.
Okay. Oh.
Good try.
Stupid.
Alright, what can I not use?
Okay. You can not use this wall.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Alright.
Alright. Next, you cannot use
Now what can I not use?
this shelf.
Okay.
Alright. Next, you cannot use this wall.
Can't use that wall?
Nope.
I can't use that wall, this shelf, or that wall.
Nope.
Uh-oh. You're smart. Dang it. Yeah, tag me. Cannot use this wall.
Yes, sir.
Dang it. Okay. Now, can't use this wall.
Okay.
Okay, good. Then, that's just gonna be, exposing me. And then, alright, you can't use this shelf.
Okay.
Now it's impossible.
Question. Am I allowed to step on this?
Yeah, you're able to go onto there.
Alright.
That's not inside of the room. Wait, don't.
I'm gonna
If
do
you
it.
do that,
I'm gonna do it.
no,
I'm gonna do it.
no,
I'm gonna do it.
don't do it.
I'm gonna do it.
No.
Oh, not gonna do it. I'm not
Yes.
gonna do it.
Oh, if you would have done that, then I would have been so mad. Alright, what can I not use?
Alright, hold on. Yeah, I could have done that. Alright, you cannot use this shelf. This one. Ow.
When you're the long one right there?
Yep, this one.
Okay.
Alright, nice.
Okay. Now what?
Now you cannot use this.
Okay. Okay. Dang it. Come drag me. Alright.
Alright.
Not use this.
What? The little
Come
couch?
in here. Can't use this. Dang it. Can't use this wall.
Okay.
Do it. Don't do it. No. Can't use this. Can't use this couch.
You cannot use this entire thing.
Okay. Oh, did I hit or no?
Yeah, we'll say yes.
Alright, now what?
Now you cannot use this.
That, okay. Yes.
Nice.
Yes! That was the very first time that I've ever gotten that.
Alright, now
Now what can I not use?
now you cannot use this shelf.
Can't use that. Okay. I'm gonna do it.
Don't do it.
I'm still. Dang it. What if I was able to just wall climb right in between and get across? That would be insane. Alright.
Alright, what do you eliminate?
Can't use this.
Can't use that. Alright.
Okay. Can't use this.
Okay.
Alright. Can't use this.
Alrighty. Okay. Can I use
Turn
this?
that shelf, boy.
Can I use this?
Nope.
Alright.
Yeah, it's this, that, and then over there. Still able to use the sunglasses, though.
Okay. So is that wall eliminated?
No. Okay. Can't use the sunglasses.
Okay. And did you eliminate this or this?
Yeah, I already eliminated that.
This entire thing?
Yeah.
Alright. That's eliminated. Hmm.
Now you just realized you're trapped. Actually, no, you're not. You're not trapped. Yep.
Oh.
Oh. Nice try. Alright, what can I not use?
The shelf.
Yeah? Okay. Wait, what shelf?
This one.
Aw, dang it. I gotta go.
Alright,
Here,
see ya.
last round, and then I have to go, okay?
Okay.
Last one you go. Alright, can't use this.
Alrighty.
Okay. Can't use this floor.
What? Then how do I...
I was kidding. You can't use this.
Okay.
Can't use this. Okay. Can't use this wall.
Okay.
You do this again, I'm gonna be so mad. And of course you did it. Can't use this.
What? Okay.
This. Can't use this whole entire wall.
The glass one?
Yeah. Can't use any of that. Like, what are you... No way. Alright. Can't use this wall.
Alright.
This wall. Can't use this. Both walls are eliminated.
Yep, I'm gonna try a wall
Okay.
run straight over the wall.
Maybe.
Oh!
No. Can't use this. Okay. Trying to take this
Okay.
thing on forever.
Hmm.
You're still able to use that shelf, but just not that mirror.
Which, that's... I'm still allowed to go here. Can't touch that wall
And
or
you
that
also
wall.
can't use that couch or that wall.
Can't use the couch. So am I not allowed to touch the mirror or the entire wall?
No, you can't touch the mirror.
But I can touch this.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think that's possible. Jump.
Hard now, right?
Yep. Can't use that
Can't
wall.
use that circle or that wall. Go use this. But you can't use any of those couches either. No way.
No, not again.
Ah.
Alright.
Alright, see ya.
See ya.
This time playing with you.
Okay, my monkey dudes. That was actually this would bring me into a public lobby. Well, hold on a lot. Alright, that was super fun playing Rock Monkey. That was super fun playing Monkey on the Shelf with him. We were just doing a 1v1. I was gonna record infection gameplay. I have 2 videos to post now, but instead of recording more infection gameplay, which was what I was doing, this guy came in, had nobody to play with, so I decided to play with him. He wanted to play Monkey on the Shelf. Good content. It was fun. Definitely fun. yeah, but I guess I'll see you monkeys later. Peace out, my monkey dude.